again we have to do the configuration here, because creation of RFC port does not required for receiver system. This we need to, that is the reason I just have updated here. Then receiver port 1 is a sufficient. Then yesterday we were seeing that issue in the BD64 maintain distribution mode here. So
Okay.
here, while replicating this one, let me show you, sir. Let me go here. So while executing the ports configuration, then go to here. BD64 is the transaction code. So here, what we have done, it's a material Y material. This is what we have defined here. So while doing this one, sir, go, sir, edit, modes view, model view, then distribution. The views are generating here. Okay, these are the views which we have mapped in the. Now if I go here, so this is even what I understood, what I have seen in the Google. Then it's just for the maintenance system. Okay, so for this maintenance system, okay, it's not required to maintain this one. But one more thing I want to show you here, one more node which I forgot to add. As we remember, we have added one is for the material master. Material master, this is the message type which we have added. Then ALE system. Okay, so for application link enabling ALE, this also message type which we need to add here. So then only, so yesterday even the system, let me show you this one, sir. Let me show you that error, what system was showing. You can see, sir, RFC destination for the synchronization communication message type S1CH. Partner profile Z sender SYNCH does not exist. So meaning that here this
does not
message type SY, it's a logical system. It's a dummy message type for the RFC destinations. These I did not mapped yesterday. That is the reason. So this error was getting, and also at the same time, since it is the system, even if I can go here and view here, sorry, modes view, then this is the just because of this is the maintenance system. So even the message type also, it's a fine. It will not have any issue. Then click on this. Let me go one step back here. Let me go here.
Sir, how to do that, sir? Sync. We need to add, go to the
one more option. Okay, then which we have already defined this one, BD64. The material, who is the sender? We have defined this one, sender system. And then, so then the next one is that next one, filter. Okay, if the filters are nothing but which I want to keep specific parameters while sending the data, start date, end date. Okay, for this model view, which I can keep it is a sender.
So
start date,
is this
end
mandatory,
date.
sir?
Okay,
This filter?
start date, end date of this modes, this modes view. Then object name, message type. Okay, let's say now I want to have a validity only. This should be the start date. This should be the end date.
Yeah.
Then after that, we may not see that one. Again, if we can specify some filters, that filter will be applicable in between this date. If we can do the some mapping here, then the next one is that, then the next one, let me go here. Let me
sir,
go here. The one important thing here is that one important thing, sir. Now go to environment. generate partner profiles. So partner profile which has been already generated here, no need to do anything. Only we have to execute and see whether the partner profiles are successfully mapped or any errors. Let me
Sir,
execute this one.
how to come to this one?
You
sir?
can see, sir, here system Z receiver as a partner type already exists. System Z sender partner type already exists. Then port to Z800 to 810 with RFC destination already exist. Okay, let me do one thing here. Mods view. Let me select, sir, 800
Sir, my voice
to
is audible, sir.
which we have mapped. Z800 to 810. Okay, this one only we have mapped. Okay, fine. Okay. Execute this one. Z system port
Issue.
receiver. MatMask already exists. System receiver. This is the port is for the what we can able to see here, what we have configured. Then outbound parameters. In the outbound parameters, receiver
Sir.
system. This is the receiver system. Outbound parameters, MatMask we have already mapped for the material master set. If I want to send material master information, then the dummy message types also we have mapped. So here there are no errors while seeing this one. What we can understand here. So no need to do anything here. Just only thing is that we need to understand this one here. Already exist in the sense, then those are mapped already. So already exist. In case if you can delete all the parameters, if you do the configuration, the system will say it's a created successfully. So now those are already exist. Then let me go back here. Then after that, then go to the then this we have already seen modes view, how we can modes view it is going to display. So the next one is that, so the next one, the last one, so the last step which we want to see, then again this one also, sir. Sorry, going back, running notes. Again, this BD 64 does not require to map
Sir.
in the receiver system, because no need to map this one also, sir. No need to create, because okay, I'll put this one here. I'll put this one, sir, here. BD64. Okay. So BD64. Not, but no need to create. No need to create in receiver system, in target system, in target system, the above step, the above configuration, sorry, sir, the above configuration, no need to create or no need to define. I'll put it straightforward, sir. No need to define in the target system or receiver system, or receiver system, because it will create automatically. It will create automatically. So no need to define this one again. So this we need to check. Let me check this one, sir. In 800 client, 800 now I am in. Let me go to 810 client. See this one. 810 10, BD64, BD64 here. So now you can see, sir, here Z800, Z800. So this port, I mean this view already been configured. If I can see here, sir, you can see matmas. Okay, what I can able to see here, what information is to be required here automatically, which has been already reflected here. But let me do Z800 to 810 the same, or it's something different. Z800 to Z800, the same, sir. Z800, Z800, the same. If I can say Z800 to the same one here. Now, so this is the one, no need to define. Hello, sir. Hello.
Sir, in person, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, but I am not able to hear you, sir. Sorry, sir. Oh, I thought you were there. Sir, I am not able to hear you, sir. One moment, sir. Sir, one moment. Okay.
Sir.
హలో సార్ వినిపిస్తుంది సార్ ఇప్పుడు
నా వాయిస్ మీ వాయిస్ వినపడుతుంది సార్. నా వాయిస్ వినపడుతుందా మీకు?
వినిపిస్తుంది సార్, ఇప్పుడు వినిపిస్తుంది సార్ మీది కానీ.
ఓకే ఓకే సార్. ఓకే యా ఓకే.
సారీ సార్, నేనేమనుకున్నానంటే మీరు ఫాలో అవుతున్నారు కదా అని నేను అడగలేదు సార్. సారీ సార్, నేను మర్చిపోయాను.
నాకు ఓకే సార్. యా సార్, నాకు మీకు చెప్పి
సార్ వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ యామ్ షేరింగ్ మై వన్స్ అగైన్ సార్ ఐ యామ్ షేరింగ్ మై స్క్రీన్, దెన్ విల్ కమ్ ఫ్రమ్ ద బిగినింగ్ సార్. సారీ సార్. Then
no problem.
Okay, so now what I was explaining, sir, here. So what we have done configuration in previous sessions. So create a port. The transaction code is a W21. This configuration does not required to configure in target system, because because only, let's say now I'm sending this one. I'm sending from this system to this system. So here it is ending.
Yes.
The ending point is that receiver, sir. The target system is ending. Again, if I want to send the data from this to one more system, then again that configuration is to be required.
Okay.
Otherwise, that does not require, sir.
Okay.
So now the yesterday's one, sir. I was keep on talking about the BD64 configuration.
Yes.
So in the BD64 configuration, sir, yesterday what we have done, so in the yesterday's configuration, the system was throwing this error, sir.
Yes,
sir. RFC destination for the synchronous communicates, okay, message type SYNCH is not available, blah blah blah. That is, it is the error, sir. So for this one, what I have identified that let me, this is the receiver, sir. In the source system, we have to map here along with the message type which is relevant for material master. Along with this, we have to map ALE dummy message type, sir. SYNCH. You can see, sir. SYNCH. So after mapping this one, see, sir, SYNCH.
Okay.
After mapping this message type, that error is not not appearing. Now, let me go to here, environment, generate partner profiles. So now the partner profile which already generated, sir, we have already done the mapping. But here we would like to see in case the mapping, whether it is correct or in case if there are any errors. Nothing to be, nothing to do, sir, here. Only thing is that we need to just execute here. Let me execute. You can see, sir, system jet receiver as a partner type already exists. So in case of any errors, sir, here the system definitely it will show the, it will throw the error. So already exist in the sense there are no errors we have already created. Let's assume, sir, I will give one more thing, sir. Here, let's assume, sir, I have deleted this material completely. Okay. Now let's say, sir, in place of this one, I have done one more configuration for different, let's say for sales order, for example, sir. So for sales order, then after generation, after mapping, then I have to assign the proper required message types here. Then if the sales order for that one, if I go here, if I execute here, what we can see here might be the sender and receiver will be, we can see the same thing. But now the outbound, we can see in place of already exist created successfully. That message we can see, sir. That's it, sir. Because it's already
sync one, that dummy one, what is that synchronization on? Is that to be created for each object, or only one object is enough, sir?
No, sir, it should be for each object, sir. Because, sir, let me go back, sir. Sir, so here, sir, this node I have created only for in order to send my material master information, sir.
Correct, sir. Yeah.
Okay, sir. So this node, this is one kind of a message type, sir. SYNCH is a one message type. So this message type is to be applicable only for this node only.
Okay, so that means that one type of data we are sending by Y material.
Exactly, sir.
If I want to send sales data, again I need to create Y sales.
It is up to you, sir. Either Y sales or Z sales, whatever it may be, sir. You can
maybe just example. Yeah, maybe yes, like that node we have to establish.
Exactly, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So now, so these are the message types, sir. So now for let's say, sir, Z sales. Let's assume, sir, Y sales, sir. So for Y sales, again we have to map required. I mean this message type, then SYNCH, this is to be there, sir. This the synchronize, I mean this is the dummy message type, ALE dummy message type for that particular node, sir. For that particular node, we have to map that one.
Okay.
Sir. Okay. Yeah. Again, so that the error will not occur. Again, the error will not occur, sir. So yes, sir. So now the next one is that the partner profiles. Let's see, sir, partner profiles. So the partner profiles, let me go to here. Okay. Partner profiles is a WA20. I have already mapped here. So let me go to BD. Okay, WA81. We have already seen the message types. Then how the message types are interlinked to the Idoc'S, we have already seen. Partner profiles in sender system, partner profiles in the receiver's system. So let us see, sir, this one. Yesterday we have already defined.
Yeah, sir. Yeah, yesterday it is automatically assigning to the this one, sir. Partner type is getting assigned automatically. That
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So in the logical system, sir, we were seeing here. We were seeing, sir, we have seen the below here, sir. This is our, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Jets. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Jet sender. So, receiver. Receiver, what information it is receiving here? We can. Yes, sir, there are two message types are there here. Then let me go here, sir. So what exactly it is happening here. So now, okay. So now receiver system, this is the receiver. Let me double click here, sir. So now what we have seen over there, sir. So what we have seen here. So the receiver port, this is the receiver port. This is the package. Okay, then that is fine. Then here, this is the basic message type, message output control, message controls here, message controls.
Sir, here we need to define partner profile, both sender and receiver here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here we have to define both, sir. Here we have to define both, sir, sender and receiver. Because, sir, here what will happen? Who is the sender? Who is the receiver? Yesterday, you remember, sir, we have defined this one as a user. This one, worker was there. Then in place of worker, I have selected user. Then the next one is that, okay, telephone, this and all does not require. The main important thing is that first one, sir, outbound options, what we are having here. Now, let me. Okay, so now we have seen this. Okay, so no, okay, let me save this one.
But again, in the receiving side also, we need to define, sir, this partner profile.
Yes, sir. Sir, here it is there, sir. You can see, sir. Receiver also it is there, sir. Sir, here also.
Okay. Okay. In the 800 system itself, what is defined in the receiver side, we are able to see, sir. G
Sir,
sender is a.
G sender is our 800 client, sir.
Correct. Yeah.
Sir, sender is the 800 client. Receiver is the 810 client, sir.
Correct.
Okay, sir. Now receiver side. Okay, what information we are sending? The receiving information, what it consists of, we have seen, sir. Okay, sir. Now, so sir, receiver is nothing but my 810 client, sir. Okay,
correct.
Sir.
Mm-hmm.
Now, sender is my 800 client. Sender is the 800 client.
Okay.
Okay. So now here what we need to do in the sender side. Let me go to here. So already the port which is already available, sir, here. Okay. So now here, I think we should not do here. Let me go to 810, sir. 810 clients, sir. 810, sir. 810.
Okay. Okay,
I mean,
sir, yeah.
Go to WA20 is the transaction code. Now in WA20, go to the logical system, sir. Go to the LS partner type. LS is a logical system here. You can see, sir, here, sir.
Yes, sender only is there. So in that case,
we need to define, sir. Sir, we need to define, sir.
Okay.
That is what, sir. We have to create, sir. We have to define here. So
okay. But 800 client, that way receiver only should be there, no, sir. Both are
yes,
there.
yes. That is true, sir. That is true. Yeah. It's a sender does not. I mean, receiver.
Yeah. Receiver.
Yeah. Well, sender does not require, sir. Here, this we can delete, sir.
Yeah.
We can remove this one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is true, sir. But because unfortunately, what I did yesterday, in place of defining 810, I have defined both in 810 only. Sorry, 800 client only, because one should be in 800
and one should be in correct. Yeah.
810, sir. 810, sir. 810, sir. Then.
So okay. we can delete, sir, a sender G sender.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can, sir. Yeah. We can delete, but let it be. I mean, we are not doing any. See, sir, first of all, you can see, sir, in this sender, nothing is being configured here, sir. Okay. You can see, sir, message type sender, nothing is being configured. So it does not have anything. I mean, it's nothing to do, sir, with that one. Yeah. Then, sir, next going to the 810 client, keep cursor here, logical system, create, sir. So now here, partner number, let me give the partner number here. Partner number, Okay, partner number, sender system. What is the, okay, I will give this one. So this one only we have to give jet sender because, okay, jet sender.
No, we have already, no, sir, 810, we have
No,
already
no,
jet sender. Jet, no, if you see in 810, sir.
No, sir. No, sir, in 800, we have to define receiver system, sir. Sir, it vice versa, sir. Here, vice versa,
Yes.
sir. Here,
Correct. Yeah.
so jet receiver, we have, it should be there in 800, sir. 800 client, it is there,
Correct.
sir. Jet receiver.
In the similarly, in the 810, we should have a sender.
Sender, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But we have already
Exactly,
one, sir. Already we have defined, sir. Already.
Oh, okay, sorry. Okay. Yesterday, okay. Got it.
So
Okay,
now,
okay.
yeah.
Sorry, sir. Oh, okay. This I forget. Okay. This is already,
Yes.
it is there.
Only now
Okay, sir.
message
Okay.
type need to be
Again,
assigned, sir.
exactly,
Yeah,
exactly, sir. Exactly. So the message type, what I need to assign here is the message type. Click on here, the message type. So the next one here, okay, here make sure that one, sir. One thing, sir. Here, make sure that one, it should be users only, sir. Here, because even yesterday also we have done this one. Then come here, but again, it's a depends on organization, sir. Depends on organization, what they want. Now inbound parameters. Now what I need to define here, I need to define not outbound, sir. Sir, in the not outbound here, I need to define in the inbound parameters, sir, because outbound is already, sir, if you can see, sir, here in the outbound, I have already specified what information should go out from my system. Okay, sir. So here, sir, which we have to define is the inbound.
Yes.
Yeah, inbound. Yes, sir. This I think it's a bit, it's a confusing. Then yes, sir. So now the role, it's a, I mean, a partner role. It's a depends on you. Either you can define. It's not mandatory. But now the message type, sir. Message type is important for us. Exactly, sir. Exactly, sir. So the message type, it is. Let me give, sir. It is star. This one matmas only, material master. Then process code, what I have to give, even process code also. Let me give process code, which is going to start the same MEAT. So the process code which I have to give, sir, material master is my process code here. So MEAT, all standard SAP, sir. In case if it is a customization, then we can go. But most are the cases, even in the during the implementation time also, sir, what we can do, first priority we can give for the standard one only, sir. In case if standard does not support, then we can go for the customization. Let me save this one. Data is been saved.
So in 800, what we define is the same thing, sir. Process code MEAT only.
Let me show you, sir. Let me show you, sir. So, sir, here, sorry. So this is the 800. If I go here, sir, see, sir, it's a synchronization. First one for the sync is a synchronization. Go back. Let me for the matmas. You can see, sir, it's a basic, sir. Here is the message type and basic message type which is appearing, sir, here in the sender. Sender and receiver different is there, sir. So now here is the inbound options. It is there, sir. Outbound options are differ. Sir, here outbound, yes, sir. Outbound options are differ. Then inbound options are differ, sir. Here. So that is the reason we are unable to see the same information in the inbound, sir. In the inbound. Then yes, sir. So now then the next one is of next one. Let me create the. So now up to now, sir, the most are the relevant configuration steps we have done, sir, for IDOC. So these are the major around 8 or 9 steps which are available. Once again, I will do the consolidation. We'll have a look at, sir, once again what configuration we have done. So now Yes, sir. So now, first we have defined the logical system, then assign logical system to the client. Second one, then maintain RFC destinations. Then after this, what we have done, then we have done is the create ports we have done, fourth step. Then fifth step, maintain distribution mode. Then okay, so now message types. These are the standard message types. What we want to see in here, it's a fifth. This one is a fifth. Then I'll keep it as a sixth. Standard message types. What IP has been delivered. Sixth one. Then the seventh one is a assign message types to the Idoc'S. Assign message types to the Idoc'S. Then seventh step. Then partner partner profile sender and receiver. Then this is the eighth step. Eighth step, I can see, sir. This one, I can copy this one. I can copy this one. I will put it the similar way. So now up to 8 steps which we have defined. Then the next one is that, so next one, let me create the material master in end user, sir. End user activity. End user activity. Let me define in the create material master in client 800 so that let us send the information to the 810 client. That's it, sir. So now as soon as once I create the material master, let me go here, sir. Then in order to send the material information to the 810 client, the transaction code is the BD10. BD10 I have to execute that. So in real time, this will be backend job.
Okay.
Now to send the material information to client 810 transaction code is BD10, sir. So once we execute this T code, then system it will send the information to the 810 client. Let's see, sir. Let me create, but again I have to check because the company code information whether which is available or not. Okay, 810 client OBY6. Let me check the company codes. Okay. Company codes to be configured again in the 800 because sender purchasing organization sales material master information. So all again that should be configured here.
From existing one, we have not defined any company code, sir. We have from any other existing entity we can send it. We have not mentioned any company code, sir.
No, company code we have not specified, but we would required is a sales organization, sir. I'm sorry, purchasing organization. So minimum information we may require, sir. So that is also I'm just thinking. But let's see, sir. So let me go to, because here let me try to create, sir. In here in 800 client MM01 is the, so here let me give from the let's say the test okay, test one. So now let me select this one. Here is the, then let me select is the raw material here. Then let me enter here. So here, sir, while creation of basic data, then I'm selecting basic data, general plant, then general plant, then accounting one, storage one. I'm just selecting this information. Okay.
Basic information, yeah.
Okay. Accounting one. Let me select only basic data, sir. Let me select basic data. Yeah. But here, again, sir, here my intention is that, okay, let me select only basic data. Okay. Because it is not asking anything. Okay, sir. Testing IDOC. Yes, let me give, sir, some basic measurement of units, some cages. Let me give material group, then division. Let me give some information. Then gross weight, let me give some 100. Then here is the weight for the unit. Grams or cages. Okay, let me give for the grams, gross weight and net weight also. Let me give the same, sir. Gross weight and net weight. Let me give the same. Enter. Then save, sir. Let me save this information. So test one material which we have created. Test one. Let me copy this one, sir. Let me copy this one. Then let me go to the transaction code /n BD10. BD10. So mat mass. This message type should be here, sir. Message type we have to do this one. Let me do this one. Sir, one message IDOC type, message type, mat mass. What we are seeing, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
one we are sending, but let us see, sir. Now even I also don't know at this moment whether the system it's a success or not. Even I also do not know, sir. At least we have succeeded, sir. It's a real, at least I'm happy. So let's see, sir. To check the IDOC, sir. Now after this step, I have to check the IDOC generated for the message type mat mass. Now let me go here. WE02, the transaction code. Let me go to sir. WE02. WE02. Sir, today's date. I am giving the today's date. Let me execute this one, sir. So now IDOC status is the 3. IDOC status is the 3. Okay, let's see, sir, one by one. So what is the IDOC status? 3 is nothing but a successfully we have transmitted data from sender system to receiver system, sir. So now let me double. Okay, sir, let me double click, sir, here. So now let me go back once again, sir. You can see, sir, here in the beginning itself we have talked about let me see, sir. So now success message number in the outbound system is a 03, sir, outbound. So as soon as once we see this one, then meaning that the successfully we have transmitted data. I mean the IDOC it got successfully processed, sir. Now let me come back here. Let me display. Select the record type. Okay. Select the record type. Select. Okay. Let me come here, sir. Let me come here. Yes, sir. Now we can see IDOC display. Okay, IDOC display. Now here the data, if I can go here, the outbound IDOC, one outbound IDOC what we have sent, data passed to the port. Okay, so meaning that this is a successfully we have transmitted data from target system to source system, sir. You can see, sir, standard details. So I mean, this is a loading technical information. Let's see, sir, what information we have transmitted. So data, you can see, sir, the information you can see. So the testing of IDOC, okay, this is the description what I have given. Message here, this one is the, let me go to the material master. Sir, here, gauges what we have given, then 1 grams, which we want to measurement, gross weight we have given. So this information, what we have transmitted to the 810 clients, sir. So now these are the major steps takes place for the IDOCs. You can see, sir, IDOC generated successfully. Then the status has been moved to the IDOC is ready to dispatch. Data processed, okay. So this step by step, you can see, sir, step by step with the data. Okay. Okay, sir.
1 minute, sir. Sir, can you go? Maybe.
Please, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem, sir. No problem, sir.
So status data records, first date 03 showing status 30. What is this one, sir?
Sir, IDOC is ready for the dispatch ALE services, sir. It should catch to the ALE, sir. So now that receiver.
First one, 01 will trigger, sir. First in the status 01, 30,
exactly.
And 03.
Exactly,
Okay.
sir. First one, as soon as once we execute the BD10, sir, what will happen? First IDOC will get generated, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. First IDOC, as soon as once IDOC will be generated, then receiver system, whether we have done the configuration receiver or not, the system will identify system will search the receiver logical system, sir. Receiver, sir. Receiver in modes, if you remember, sir, BD, let me go to, sir, BD 64 here. If you can see, sir, here. So in the BD 64, what we have done, this is the information what we would like to transmit here. If you go to here, modes view, then now you can see here. Okay, now what we have done. Okay, let me show you, sir, that one. So here, sir, okay, here itself you can see filters. Even I have not set up any filters here. That is the reason system is saying that receiver found. Receiver we have already configured, sir. In this, okay, let me go here, sir. One step, sir. So here you can see, sir, who is the receiver? Z receiver we have already configured, sir, here. So in the Z receiver, the first thing is that receiver already found. Okay. The second thing is that no filters, no conversations. So filters, that is what I was keep on telling. In case if there are any filters, then system
one more thing we do, sir. Maybe please, start date and date we keep last date. Maybe we'll create another one. We will send it, sir.
Okay, sure, sir. Sure, sir. No problem, sir. Okay.
Maybe just we'll check that.
Yeah, sure, sir. Sir, no problem, sir. No, we will test it that one. So, okay, I'll create new one, sir. I will create.
No, if it is not working, we can remove, sir. Material only. What I mean to say, just to put a filter on that.
Okay.
A date which is over, maybe expired date you can put it.
Okay.
Then it should not trigger.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Let me keep is the 1st of September, sir. 1st of.
Maybe 1st of.
Fine, sir. 20. Okay, sir. 1st of March. Okay, that's fine. That's also fine, sir. 01/03/2023. Start date. Then end date. Let me give that.
Previous day.
31st. Okay, previous day. Okay, previous day.
Maybe yesterday date you can give.
Yesterday what you give, sir? Okay, 08/09/2000. Sorry, sir. 09. Sorry, 08/09/2023. Okay, sir. Modes view. We have to select is a Y material. Y material.
Maybe we don't require.
Yes, sir. This one it is there, sir. It is available, sir. Here it is available, sir. Modes view. Then sender.
You put the 7th, sir. 7th September. Because if the SAP system date, we don't know much, sir.
Okay. Sure, sir. That's also true, sir. 09/2023. Okay, so sender, jet sender, we have already configured here. Okay, sir. Let me put only these two things, sir. These two things.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
That's it, sir. Then check, let me check. Okay, in case if check is successful, then variant does not require, save it. Modes view. Oh, okay, only this information which is appearing. Filters. Oh, okay. And remove this one, sir. Let's see. Okay, only date is appearing. Okay, that is sender information. Okay, sir. Let's see. Only one information. Again, our material which is not appearing, sir. Our material only. Okay, is it available? Let me check, sir. Here, why material for only why, sir? First of all, that is not appearing, sir.
Because the date is expired.
Exactly, sir. Exactly, sir. The date is what we are giving here is the old date. Old date it is the expiry date related modes view. First of all, it is not appearing here, sir. In the distribution model itself, it is not showing here.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That is true, sir. That is true. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So then, okay, fine, sir. Yeah.
Okay,
so
sir.
now, maybe whether we will see in the receiver side also 810 also, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's see, sir. Let's see that one, sir. Let's see, sir. So in WE09 or W05 also we can see. Let's see, sir. Now you can see, sir. At the receiver side also, application document which is not posted. That I can understand because some configuration is missing, sir. At least, sir, see now what information we have sent. We can see here, sir. Application document with today's date 9/9/2023. Then this is the IDOC number 70001. So now you can see, sir, this is the IDOC number what it has been generated. But here it is the error. Because the error being that because of some inconsistency configuration, sir. So application document not posted. IDOC application. So the reason why it is not posted, if I go here, sir, message have been issued. Then the error we need to check, sir, one by one. IDOC call started. No filters. Okay, so now IDOC added, but it's because of I'm sure, sir, this is because of inconsistency configuration only, sir. Because as we remember, that is true, sir. That is that we can say. See, sir, whatever information we have transmitted from 800 to 810 client, it's successfully created the IDOC even in this system also. But the error it is causing because of inconsistency.